Welcome to my channel where we break maths as if it is nothing. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve what problems leading to quadratic equation as written on the paper. And we have a question here. A car travels a distance of 240 kilometers at a uniform speed. If it had been 4 kilometers per hour slower, it would have taken 2 hours more to cover the distance. Find its speed. First thing, solution. Let the speed be x. Let our speed be x. Now, the question, one thing about what problem is, first you read it, read the second time, you even read the third time, just to understand the question. You must understand, comprehend what the question is talking about first, maybe translate it to the language you understand most, and maybe apply it to a real life situation to understand the question more vividly before you go to solve it. Now let us read the question again. A car travels a distance of 240 kilometers at a uniform speed. Now you can pause the video, think about that, imagine it in real life, then play it and continue. If it had been 4 kilometers per hour slower, it would have taken 2 hours more to cover the distance. Now imagine it again, take it to real life situation and imagine it. What this question is saying, this car covers a distance of 240 kilometers at a uniform speed. They did not give us the speed is not known. Now we say let our speed be x. Now the time taken for the car to cover the distance of 240 kilometers at a speed of x, we say our speed is x, to be time taken will be equal to 240 divided by x hours. That is the time taken for the car to complete 240 kilometers with x speed. That is the time taken. Now they say if it had been 4 kilometers per hour slower, it would have taken 2 hours more to cover the distance. Now if the speed is x, then the question say from the second sentence, the question say 4 kilometers per hour is reduced from the speed. Understand? 4 kilometers per hour is reduced from the speed. That is now from the second step, the time taken will be 240 kilometers divided by x minus 4 hours as the time taken in the second statement. Since 4 kilometers of the speed, 4 kilometers per hour of the speed is reduced from the uniform speed, which is x. Now we have this. So now they say if this happens, the time travel will be added by 2 hours. That is, if the time was 4 hours, then if this happens, the time will be 6 hours. Now that means if the uniform speed is removed from the second speed, which is 240 divided by x minus 4, then the speed will be added by, the time spent will be added by 2 hours. So that means we have 240 divided by x minus 4 minus 240 divided by x is equal to 2. Now we have an equation here, but this is not yet a quadratic equation. So let us try solving this equation and see if it can result us a quadratic equation. By doing so, we look at this. These are fraction. Let us find the LCM if we can eliminate the fraction. Now let's say, without stressing ourselves, let's say the LCM is equal to x minus 4 and x. So knowing the LCM, now let us multiply each term by the LCM. That will be x minus 4 close open divided by 240 divided by x minus 4 minus x minus 4 close open 240 again divided by x is equal to x minus 4 close open x times 2 is 2. Now let us see, you have this here, you have this here, we are left with x, which is x times that, we have 240x minus this here, then we have this times this times this, we have 240x, and then this times this, we have minus 960, which is equal to, now let us open this bracket first. This is equal to x minus 4 close bracket open bracket x. Now 240x minus 240x minus 960 is equal to x times x, we give us x squared, and this time this we have minus 4x close the bracket. Now we have successfully opened the bracket, but one left here. Now we have 240x minus 240, this we go with this, and then we are left this side with 960, which is equal to 2 times this will give us 2x squared minus 8x. 2 times minus 4 will give us minus 4x. Now this is what we have. Now let us collect like things and arrange it properly. By doing so, we have 2x squared. Are you sure this? Are you sure this is minus? No, this is plus, and this is plus. Because let me see where the mistake is coming from. Let me see where the mistake is. Minus 4 times this. Okay, this times minus 4 times this will give us minus this. Minus 4 times this will give us minus 960, and then times this minus that is here, it will give us positive. That is why this is positive. This 240 was carrying positive already, carrying negative already, so this is minus 240 multiplied by minus 4, it will be plus 960. Wow, that is why we're having that. Then coming down here, we have 2x squared minus 8x. Then this is plus, is coming to the other side, it will be 960, which is equal to 0. Now we have arrived at a quadratic equation. Let's see if we can break it down more. But okay, 2 go here, 1, 2 go here, 2 go here, 2. So here we have 2, here 1, 2 here 4, and 2 here 480. Yeah, now we have x squared minus 4x minus 480 is equal to 0. Now we have arrived at a quadratic equation. What problem leading to quadratic equation? We have arrived at a quadratic equation now. It is x squared minus 4x minus 480, which is equal to 0. Now, for us to solve this, we must find a number that if you add, you get this, and if you multiply, you get this. That is how to solve quadratic equation using factorization method, and it's the factorization method we're using here. So what number if you add, you get minus 4, and if you multiply, you get minus 480. Let's see. Very simple. You can have 20 plus minus 24. So 20 plus minus 24, this is equal to 20 minus 24, which is equal to minus 4. We have gotten that one. So do 20 times minus 24. If you have 20 times minus 24, this will give us what? 480. Wow, minus 480, I mean to say. So we have gotten one that can do that for us. Now let us bring it in. So this will be equal to x squared plus 20x minus 24x minus 480 is equal to 0. Now let us group it, and this is x squared plus 20x minus 24x minus 480 is equal to 0. Now factor what is common. X is common here. We have x open bracket, x inside this, x times x will give us x squared, plus x times 20 will give us 20x. Now come to this place to factor what is common. What is common here? What is common there? Let me see what is common there. 24 is common, so we can easily have it as okay, 24 is common. Now we can have minus 24 outside, then minus 24 times x will give us minus 24 times x will give us minus 24, then this plus minus 24 times what will give us this, will give times 20 will give us this, which is equal to 0. Now normally when you're solving quadratic equation using factorization method, what you do is, see the inside is equal to the inside. At any point if you're solving quadratic equation using factorization method and your inside of here is not equal to this, you are wrong. You go back and start again, and once they are equal, you just pick one out of it and use. Now we have, then you pick the other side too. So by doing so, we have x minus 24. See, x and 24. Okay. Open bracket, x plus 20. If you expand this at this point, it will take you back to this equation. You will have that equation back. Now at this point, we have this. So you can write this as x minus 20 is equal to 0, or x plus 20 is equal to 0. You understand? Now, writing this, collect like terms, you have x is equal to 20, or x is equal to, x is equal to 24, or x is equal to, here is 24, this one, sorry, is a missing, is equal to minus 20. This 20 is crossing the equality sign. Now for quadratic equation, we have gotten two roots, but our x is supposed to be our speed, and the speed can't be minus, the speed is not minus. So now our speed is 24. Now our speed is 24. Let us flip to another page. Now our speed is 24, which is x is equal to 24 kilometer per hour. That is our speed. Now, to check if we are right, now let us use that, our speed 24, right? Let us use that 24 to substitute in any of the above equation and see if the other side is equal to the other side, then we are right. Now let us pick x squared minus 4x minus 480, which is x squared minus 4x minus 480 is equal to 0. Now what is our speed? 24. We have 24 here square. Put 24 in place of x, minus 4 open bracket 20. 24 minus 480 is equal to 0. We have written it. So let us punch out. So we have 24 square. Punching our calculator, we have 578 as the answer. Minus 4 times 24, that will give us minus 96. Minus 480 is equal to 0. Now punch our calculator. 578 minus 96 minus 48 will give us minus 578, which is equal to 0. Then this minus this will give us 0 is equal to 0. It means we are very right. Our calculation is right. Thank you for watching this video. But before you go, please ensure you like the video, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bar so you will be alerted if a new video is uploaded. I also take online tutorial in mathematics and physics, in fact anything concerning calculation. So in case you are interested, you can chat me up on WhatsApp via +2347016520183 on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching once again.